Introduction to Array Manipulation in Python. Arrays are versatile data structures that allow you to store and manipulate collections of elements in Python. In this tutorial, we will explore various ways to manipulate arrays. Whether you need to add or remove elements, sort, filter, or transform the array, Python provides a rich set of functions and techniques to accomplish these tasks. Append and extend elements. You can add elements to an array using the append method or by extending the array with another iterable using the extend method. The append method adds a single element to the end of the array, while extend allows you to add multiple elements. Remove elements. To remove elements from an array, you can use the remove method to delete a specific element by its value or the pop method to remove an element by its index. The remove method deletes the first occurrence of the specified value. Sorting elements. You can sort the elements of an array in ascending or descending order using the sort method. By default, sort arranges the elements in ascending order. To sort in descending order, you can pass the reverse equals true parameter. Filtering elements with list comprehension. List comprehension provides a concise way to filter elements in an array based on certain conditions. It allows you to create a new array by iterating over the elements of an existing array and applying a condition. In this example, the list comprehension x for x in my underscore array if x greater than 5 filters out all the elements in my underscore array that are greater than 5 and creates a new array containing those filtered elements. Mapping elements with list comprehension. List comprehension also allows you to transform the elements of an array by applying an expression or function to each element. In this example, the list comprehension x*2 for x in my underscore array multiplies each element in my underscore array by 2, creating a new array with the transformed values. Slicing arrays. Slicing allows you to extract a portion of an array based on specified start and end indices. This enables you to create a new array containing only the desired elements. Counting and indexing elements. To count the occurrences of a specific element in an array, you can use the count method. To find the index of an element, you can use the index method. Reversing an array. To reverse the order of elements in an array, you can use the reverse method. In this tutorial, you explored various ways to manipulate arrays in Python. You learned how to append and extend elements, remove elements, sort elements, filter and map elements using list comprehension, slice arrays, count and index elements, and reverse arrays. Arrays are powerful data structures that enable you to efficiently store and manipulate collections of elements. By mastering array manipulation techniques, you can effectively work with data and solve a wide range of problems in Python.